Hey guys, Tranzo here back with a brand new video on this channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how you can make a gaming logo for free on your Android in just few simple steps. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So guys, for the first step you have to install the app I'm showing you right now. It's called the Logo Maker, Free Logo Maker by Pickle Fox. This is the app I will use today to make gaming logo for free. Once you are done installing the app, just click on open. It will load. It has some ads. After opening it, click on create new. It will show you ads. Just wait for it to skip. And then here you have to go to the logos, select the logo which you like. There are plenty of options. You can select the logo with text or without text. Let's choose this one. Okay, you can resize the logo or also delete it if you want. Just like this. So then what you have to do is go on text, write your text here. I'm just gonna write my name, and then go on fonts and change to whichever font you like. And then go to colors, select white or the color you like. You can also add various effects to the text if you want. And then after you have done that, just click on effects if you want to add a background or anything, but I'll recommend if you keep it blank so you can use it in your thumbnails very easily. And then just click on save, and then click on image. Select the highest quality and boom, you're done. You can check the logo in your gallery. It will be there. See, the background is blank, so you can use it easily in your any thumbnails or designs you would like. So guys, this is how the logo looks in a real design. It looks very awesome. You can also have your logo by just downloading the app and following the steps. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and also share it with your friends and also other gamers. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Also, if you want to see tutorial on how to make thumbnails, banners for YouTube from Android, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate it and will try to make a video on it.